Good day all, it's Dr. So of Token Trading Research. What if I tell you there is a coin that could probably make you 145x or 1450x depending on your investment. So today we are going to be looking at, if you stay behind, you watch till the end of this video, you will be identifying that coin. And there are other short videos that look at coins that you may want to look at in the channel. And let's get started. What often happens in bear market, especially in cryptocurrency, this is when wealth is created. There are a lot of coins that will be on discount, and a lot of people, they have been burnt, liquidated, they don't have money to invest, they walk away. Unfortunately, these are the people who always buy coins at all-time high. When the market is pumping, they all jump in. Now when there is a drop, they can't handle it, they sell their coins or they sell their tokens, depending on what assets they have. Now before we start, let's quickly do some housekeeping. Disclaimer: crypto is a zero-sum game. The rest is the cliche you may have heard in so many channels, but remember, trading is risky. Do not invest what you cannot afford. It is a volatile market, so it's a risk in investment. Now let's look at the coin of focus today before we proceed to the chart. It is EOS. EOS is a blockchain itself, but it has a token also called EOS. Now, what are the features or salient features of EOS? It is scalable and it can handle millions of transactions per second. You may have seen it in exchanges being used as a low gas fees or a lower transaction fees alternative to ERC 20 or TRC 20, depending on other transaction medium or network. Now it is secure. It protects users and their data, including delegated proof of stake. A unique one, which is actually the DPoS consensus. That is what it uses in validation. It is encrypted and it also uses multi-signature wallets. There are a lot of use cases in usability of EOS. It is designed to ease the use for both developers and users. It offers a user-friendly interface for users to interact with dApps. Governance. It has a built-in governance system that allows token holders to vote and changes to the network. So if there is any change, the community can vote. So it gives a democratic ecosystem. Utility of EOS can't stretch it enough. It provides you lower transaction fees. It is scalable. It processes millions of transactions per second. And because of this robustness, if there is ever a bull run when there is transfer of assets, you find that token like EOS or the EOS blockchain becomes you have a pump token EOS. It is also used in purchase of goods and services from merchants who accept EOS. So it has quite large use cases. That said, let's look at the chart. Now, if we look at the chart, before I proceed to the chart, let me quickly show you what it actually gives you. It is currently over 96% down. Now, if we move on to the charts, how do I get that 96% up? Let's take a ruler here. This is the EOS token. The EOS token on EOS blockchain. This is the price action, and this is the at all-time high. You have in some exchange, it actually went higher than that. You have $14.90. That was what it recorded at all-time high. Now, if I take a ruler from here, that is a measurement ruler, and I pull it down to what it currently is, which is 0.577 cents, you find that you have over 96.3%. So imagine when the bull market is back, these are coins that could rally. Now, if you are not doing leverage trading, which of course is safer if you are doing sports, these are coins that could easily jump to $1 or $1.20, for example. That is already 2x. Now, if you want to wait, which of course I think a lot of people have learned their lesson, if there's money on the table, take it and run, because there's always up and down movement in a price action. There's always a retreat. Now, a discussion of the price actions and price movement that will be discussed in TA series or technical analysis series. But now I'm looking at the asset itself and the potential. As I've said, this is not a financial advice, but it is something you want to think of if you don't want to always be jumping in when the coin has already moved. This is the time you actually take the plunge. Remember the risk involved in trading. On that note, and I'm going to call it a day here. I'm going to stop here. Please consider subscribing. There will be a lot of these short videos. And if there's something you need, also drop it in the comment section. And yeah, let's keep it short, and see you in the next video.